Hello everyone! In this video, we are going to see how you can use the Delete WorkDrive Folder custom action to automatically remove the associated folder whenever a CRM record is deleted. This means no orphaned folders are left behind. For that, you have to go to Settings, click on the Settings button, then click on Workflow Rules. Now, you have to create a new rule. I'm selecting my custom module here, and I'm giving it a name, like Delete Folder on Record Delete. Now click on Next. Here, choose Record Action. Then select the Delete option and click on Next. Here, select All Custom Module Records. Then click on Done. Now, from the Custom Action section, you have to select Create WorkDrive Setting, Easy WorkDrive. I'm selecting it now. Here, select Delete WorkDrive Folder. Now, select the custom module field name for the folder ID. We created this WorkDrive Folder ID field for our custom module. Then click on Save. Now, give a name for this rule. I'm giving it the same name, Delete Folder on Record Delete. Then, click on Save and Associate. And click on Save. Okay, our rule has been created. Now let's see how it works. Go to the custom module. Here, we have a test record. Click on this button and delete it. Then click on Delete. Our record has now been deleted. Now go to WorkDrive. Go to the Easy WorkDrive folder. Our folder is this custom module folder. Click on it and you can see that there is no folder for any record. So, this is how you can delete the folder automatically when you delete a record in the custom module. Thanks for watching.